Morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time I hold you are watching this video, guys and girls. Hope you know super well. Long time no see about the English video, guys. All right, let me go through about today, and we will talk about H4 3-week cycle, H4 price action, H4 momentum, and H4 market maker template. Oh, H4 bump and dump, huh? Or we can say easy way, week 1, week 2, week 3. Market maker deception cycle. Very deceptive cycle, guys. Okay, for momentum price action identification, understanding that price action is gonna make you a better price action trader, guys. But first, let me go through. You know me, guys. I always talk about knowledge, skill, religion. Let me start everything from what I call here skill of trading. Let me start from here. So today I was watching this video about around here, and the guy was saying this guy and there was debate, man. I like what he say here, and the guy was saying he was asking questions. So when you listen to this video, you will understand everything. And according to knowledge, everything starts from wanting and understanding. According to the religion, faith, everything starts from wanting and focusing and understanding. You understand what I'm trying to say? In trading, it's the same. Everywhere you go in relationship is the same. Every cycle of your life is the same. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because you are a human being, you need to go through and wanting stage, understanding stage, and focusing stage, and then understanding stage. You see, that's what you need. Okay, the lady was asking a lot of questions. The guy asked a small question, and she tried to confuse him, but he asked. He say, the guy say, actually I mentioned with this friend of mine in Fulo in Dolo Mfundala. All right, it's my friend of mine. You see, we always talk about debate about Christianity and Muslims and Islam, Christian and Muslims here. So I always say to him, there's only one religion. Believe it or not, no. It's up to you. It's your own business. There's one God. There's one religion. There's no more than one. As you can see, the sky is one. The earth is one. Do you see two sky? Male is one. Female is one. Everything is one. You see? There's nothing more than one, eh? The moment you understand that is the moment you're going to understand the God and His creation. Before that, you will never understand. And that starts from wanting, focusing, and trying to understand. Without that, there's no goal. There's no goal zone for you. There's no goal zone for you. Same. You see, trading is the same. Okay, God. I say the guy say the God. God created the sun. He was asking a question. You see, he say that God created the sun. Just saying, be what? Just saying, be what? Then the sun set up. Just saying the be what only. You see, we agree. They agree each other. All right. We also agree. The guy said God created the earth. Just saying the be what. You see, this earth God created. How? Say be. The earth be. The only the be what, then the earth set up. Like 3D setup. You see what I'm trying to say, yeah? Do you understand what I'm trying to say, yo? Okay. The guy said, God created Jesus. Just saying the be word. This time the lady saying, yeah. That's two times the lady say, yes, we agree. Lady say, we agree. Now, The third time, God created Jesus, just saying be word. And what happened? You understand what I'm trying to say here? Be word only. Then, and Jesus' mother, Auntie Miriam, or Auntie Mary, or Mama Mary, or you call it Virgin Mary. Virgin Mary, Virgin woman, Auntie Miriam, or Mama Miriam, the Mary, whatever you call it. Then what happened here? She got pregnant. Just saying, the God say, be word. You understand what I'm trying to say here? Then, I say then, why the Son didn't become the God? And why you don't call the God? You see what I'm trying to say here? What I'm trying to say here, we agree God create here, as we see here, the earth. Just say big word. The earth set up. God created the sky. Just saying the big word. The sky set up. God created the sun. Just saying the big word. Kun. Kun fire kun. You see? Then the earth set up. The sun set up. The sun show up. See? You understand what I'm saying here? Then, how we create is none of our business. None of our business. How we create the earth is none of our business. You see what I'm trying to say here? How we create the sun is none of our business. We don't know deeper. It's not good. It's not good. You see here, he created Jesus just saying pure. You see what I'm trying to say here? You see what I'm saying? God created human being just saying be word. God created genius or demons, whatever you call, saying the be word. See what I'm trying to say here? God created Adam just saying be word. Adam was created from the sun. The sun. We are walking, right? Everybody knows. So if you want to know more many things you can go and even like Adam was created by the sun. So, but how God created the sun and going deeper, we can't go deeper than such areas. We can't go deeper. Okay, we don't know much about knowledge about it. Okay, why then God, the Son created the God, and then why the Son didn't become God? Then why the Son didn't become God? Why you don't call the Son God? Why you don't call the earth God? Do you know there's people worshiping the Son also? Then what's the difference between worshiping the Son and worshiping the Jesus in a form of God? And those worshiping the Son as their Lord. You see here? Serious difference. So understand that it brings us the way, the path, understanding the true religion. So what's a true religion? Is that we want to understand. We want to understand. I say we, I, you, us, we, one. So I say what? If starting what? Wanting. You see here. Now we are learning. You see. So what is a true religion? Is then what is true religion then? You see here. First, when you learn God, I see here. When you learn God, first of all, when you learn God, then you will understand His creation. When you learn God, the Creator, you will understand His creation. You see, without knowing that, you cannot know anything. You see what I'm trying to say? So God is a creator. The only one creator who say everything only be what? See? The only one creator, God, he say everything be what? Kun fayakun. See? God say, Jesus be, and Mama Mary got pregnant. Then just to think 5 to 10 minutes, ask yourself, who is a Jesus? He was created by God. You see here? And then I say here, I can't believe you cannot understand that, but I believe you don't want to understand. I make it simple. Alright? I can't believe 100% you cannot understand what is here. And your IQ is not working. I cannot believe because you're not mad. You understand what I'm saying? But I believe you don't want to understand. That's it. You don't want to understand. But in that stage, there's nothing I can do. So that's why I say one thing is main important. See here? In trading, one thing is more important. One thing is more important. In relationship, one thing is more important. In faith, one thing is more important. Everything is from one thing. Same my brother and my same and my mother and my father was just doing love meeting, and God say, "Be Ashraf." You see what I'm doing? I give you example, right? You see here? I say my mother and my father was making love meeting. Then what happened? God say, "Be." Then I am here now. My mother became pregnant, and I'm the created. See, I am the created now. Being by big boy, then how come I don't worship the creator create me? You see what I'm talking here? And my father and my mother love meeting was and created me. Or see, so my father, your father and your mother love meeting same also. Same. Everyone. You see here, when a dog and his wife meet, there is a new baby born coming. Who's saying God? God is saying be, the new baby born coming. When you see two cats, they meeting, the God say be, the new baby born coming. When you see man, a wife and his husband and his wife meeting, love meeting, yeah, then the new baby coming. Why? God saying be. You see here. Without God, nothing is working. I'm telling you guys. Nothing is working. If you believe or not. Okay. Then, if that God say be and create you like that way from the love meeting, then how come you don't worship him? That's what I don't understand. That is start from one thing. Without one thing, you will not go. You will not get the way to go through. You see what I'm trying to say? And that must come from you. You see? Means you can help yourself, nobody can help you. So if a person doesn't think nothing is coming up, you see, I take all my friends, see the same way process, guys. So in this trading, it's the same process, guys. Let me leave religious preach in just 30 minutes and go through about trading China, guys. Let me come back to my market. So today I want to talk about momentum trading, market maker momentum trading, how to identify the footprint of trading or market maker momentum, guys. How to identify, how I study, and this back concept using the tree concept. Okay. Everything he say, this guy is tree. Everything is tree. You see, 2 years ago, I watched about this video saying and fractal nature. You can watch, I think 2 years in YouTube. When you watch, you would understand the whole concept is about deception. He said about, even he talked about Trinity at that time. So that's the time, it was my aha moment. So everything started clicking in my mind. See, that's the time I started understanding the entire Forex. Before, I was just confused like you. So every person, there will be aha moment. They call it breakthrough moment. You see, There's a time you will see you break through in professional, they call it aha moment. Aha moment is a time you're gonna get something beautiful, something breakthrough, something you understand, you see, something repeatable, you see. You understand what I'm trying to say, yeah? Oh, whoa, let's go through. Okay. He said everything is true, is three, and the system based on this in Trinity. Okay. I say that day, God, if this thing good for me and open for my understanding, if this thing bad for me, let me remove from my mind. So that day it started from seeing the truth in trading, guys. So in this particular case, let me say every time you need 3 weeks, I say 3 weeks data and the current week, so 3 weeks you need here. And this guy, when he explaining, he will confuse you automatically. Because he used the words of bam, bam, dam, bam, bam. So many is about confusion, you see. Even understanding the bam, 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 what he mean. He will tell you, eh? But when you listen slowly, I say, what do you mean? 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 So what I say, everything starts from one thing. You understand what I say? Everything starts from one thing. So the day you start one thing and focusing and you listen slowly, you are getting the information. And that's gonna be you aha day, aha week, or aha moment, or aha. You see here? That's gonna be your breakthrough, guys. You see here in religious, if you understand here, there can be a breakthrough. If you try to learn, it's gonna be your breakthrough. It can be breakthrough. In forex, it's the same. In relationship, it's the same. Every style of life is the same process. You might just think that way. Okay. So every week, the current week, you need to focus and what my mentor call here, you need to focus structure. Number one. Okay. Number two, you need to focus what my mentor call 3 levels of drop of 3 levels of rise. That 3 levels based on mathematics. That 3 levels based on what? That 3 levels based on what? What we call average weekly range. You see, average daily range, average two range. So in this particular case, you must understand the 3 boxes, the 3 levels of drop of the week, or 3 levels of rise of the week. You must understand that 3 levels. And the third thing is you must understand here what we call M button for sell up high and W button for buy down low. So the current week, trading week, what you want to understand? Focus. Only 3 things. H4 chart, number 1. When you are trading, it's weekly perspective. You see, so when you are trading in a daily intraday, you have to focus 1 hour chart and 3-day cycle. But the process is the same. The 3-day cycle, you see here, you need to focus 3-day cycle, and you need to focus H1 chart, structure, button, structure, and 3-day cycle. Every day, you need to focus M. You need to focus structure. You need to focus what? The same process of the weekly now. The structure, the M, the button, and the 3 levels of rise. 3 levels of rise of drop. Every single day, you need to focus that 3 levels. 3 of rise rule. The structure rule. The H1 rule. And you need to focus M and W rule. Are you guys together? So coming back to weekly perspective, we need to focus what here? The structure we need to focus this week. In the weekly H4 chart, we need to focus what? 3 levels of drop based on mathematics. So in every bear is a different. Every bear has own ADR, average trading range. So like me, most of you guys, they see only trade gold. Why? Because I understand the gold average range of the week is what here? 150 big box, 150 big box, 150 big box, guys. See here is 450 big box till 700 big box. Till 700, 750, I think that way. But I only use 300 to 400 big box. 450, I don't want it. So you see, every week I only want 300 bip. Guys, I don't want more than 300 bip. Market can move 1,000, 100, I don't care. Me, I only care 300 bips to make my money I want of the week. You see here? So, 450 bip move I want. See here? You see what I'm trying to say? If I catch that move, it's enough for me, guys. So you need to be profitable. You need to focus on realities, not the fake realities, guys. Trading is a symbol, but you need to focus the realities, guys. The reality is easy. So in this particular case, and what this week tell us now? This week we need to focus what? The structure. We need to focus what? W button. We need to focus W button. We need to focus what? The structure. In the early of the week, market strategy was bearish. In the late of the week, market strategy turned to bullish. Front side, day 1, Monday, day 2, Tuesday, day 3, Wednesday, it was what? Front side of the week was bearish. And back side of the week is strategy become bullish, W again. See? W button. So yesterday market fly. You see? So we understand that, right? Okay. First week, current week, we need to understand W. We need to focus structure. We need to focus what? H4 chart. We need to focus what I have here. W structure. We need to focus what? 3 levels of drop based on mathematics. Based on mathematics. 3 levels of drop. 150, 150, 150. You see? Or rise. You see here? To know high of the week, low of the week, market is already there. You see? Then we can use a signal days of the 3-day cycle. And first green day, blah, blah, blah. Okay. The start week, the second week, what we need to focus. This week we learn. This week what we need to focus signal week or trigger week. This is called signal week or trigger week. He call it signal day, trigger. He don't explain actually in the weekly, but he explain in the daily. But I take the same information and apply in weekly. The signal day, that's one. So the signal day is what? This day, this week closes what? What do you call it? Yeah, when you go to weekly, you're gonna know. So the market, you can understand signal days and signal weeks when you understand the candlesticks. So this candle open here, trade higher and close lower. That's called and signal day, fast red day or red day. It's called red day. The market maker they use different terms, man. So you need to understand what they mean. You don't care about what they mean. You just care about what they mean and what that's telling you in your head and what that's telling you. So in this particular case, what do you need? What do you see in this week? Fast red week or red week. So this red week can be this red week, and when you see the market bump up a day, this red week it only can be breakout week. So the breakout week, not the fast red week, but it's a bad week, breakout week. So because why? The market closed below the previous week low. When Friday closed, market closed below the last week low. So that's called and breakout week. So breakout pullback continuation, right? The market do 3 things. They break out, they pull back, they trend. What do you see? The market, they break out, they pull back, they trend. You see what I'm trying to say here? And market do what? They break out, they pull back, they stay in the range. You see here? They break out again, they pull back again, then they stay in the range again. Market do what? Also, they break out, they fake out, they run very fast, opposite. The market do 3 things. They break out, they pull back, they trend, they fake out, they go opposite, they break out, they break, they stay in the range. So what market will do in live market is what we want to understand here. So this week was making breakout week. So we can understand this week already so far, the market can break out pullback, or market can do breakout pullback, stay in range. You see? Okay. Single week, we understand, right? So the third week, what do we need to understand? This is where things get challenging here, a lot of times. So here, this week you need to understand what he call bum, 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 bum. This is bum, 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 bum. He call it bum, bum. What do you mean bum, bum, bum? Bum is like trending week. The market was creating a structure, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Means I say momentum week. Me, I say week, that's week 3. You need to understand momentum week. Momentum, what does week momentum was? You see here? This week momentum was bullish. Okay. This week momentum was bullish, right? I call it myself momentum week. He said bam, bam, bam. He said day 3, bam, 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 day, bam, 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 bam. He just confused, man. But you see, when you want, I say one thing is important. I say one thing is important. Everything. When you wanted to understand, you will understand, because you will try to understand, because you are trying to ask what do you mean? What do you mean? Because you ask yourself constantly. You see, you ask yourself constantly, then you are getting there. The more you ask questions for yourself, the more you get to understand what do you want to understand. You see, all you need is focus and time. You see, it will click in your mind, and that's gonna be you. It's gonna be your aha moment. I call it aha moment. Free cash. The aha moment, or you can call it breakthrough. Breakthrough. You say generational breakthrough. Blah blah. I don't understand what they mean. Breakthrough is like when you are getting something. You see, it's a blessing. You see. Okay. In this particular case, I wish now you guys understand here. In this particular case, this week was what? Momentum week. So this week, signal week. This week, I read the structure, I read the value, and I read 3 levels. Simple as that. You see, in this particular case, I'm going to apply in the 3-day cycle also. Every day, I'm going to apply 3-day momentum. This day, I'm going to apply what? When the Monday opening, I'm going to apply momentum day, and trigger day, signal day, and the Monday collapse. Monday give me collapse. Structure M button for sell up high. Because why? Following momentum trend. Trend momentum was bearish. I'm just using 3-day cycle to find out the momentum trend. You see? Free cash! And now it's gonna be, it's clicking into your mind, because it can be your aha moment. You see? The aha moment is simplicity. You see? So this day I want to trade again. So what I want to use this day 3. Okay. This day 3, right? So day 3 momentum telling me now is breaking lows, downtrend. So the downtrend movement is momentum trend is bearish. Okay. So this day, what create Monday create what? This day create higher highs and bumping down. You see? So day 1 short. So it confirmed no more momentum trend. You see? Now more momentum trend. You see? And it's also front side of the week. The front side market trend for one side. You see? Day 1, day 2, day 3. You see what I'm trying to say, guys, here? Oh, so this day what I need to read the M button, I need to read the structure button, I need to read the structure, I need to read the 3 levels of price. Pullback, 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 pullback. And in intraday price action market maker trend is like in intraday and intraday gold rise 3 levels. Call it 75, 75, 75, or minimum 50, 50, 50 increment. So 50, 50 increment plus, he says subtract or add. Subtract from low of the day, from this yesterday low, subtract or add. If the market going up, add 75, 75, 75. If market going down, subtract 75, 75, 75. You see here? Subtract. You see here? Subtract or add. You will see the real increment. From there, the market dropped 3 levels, or market fell 3 levels, then follow the overall trend, guys. The identify trend from day 3 or week 3 trend. Okay. In this particular case, this day, all right, what do you see? The aha moment, this day, momentum chain was bearish. This day, momentum chain was bearish. This day, will the momentum trend will follow through? I don't know. So the market broke yesterday low. Yesterday low is a momentum level. See, it's just momentum called other time frame levels. Time frame changes levels. So all time frames started buying. All time frames start day 1, day 2, day 3 short. Day 3 short also reversal setup. Or day 3 Wednesday reset. See here, it becomes Wednesday. All right. Also in the weekly perspective, the market is on a breakout. So market needs pullback before continuation, guys. According to 3 things market do. Market breakout, pullback, continuation. You see here, the market broke out, pullback, started continuation. But continuation failed. And become what? W button. That's why I say you need W button, you need M button, you need to understand the button also. You see, you need to understand all the things. You see, why market didn't go through, fell through? Because market finished 3 levels of drop. 450 pip, guys. The 450 pip, 150 pip box, 150 pip box, 150 pip box from Monday high to Wednesday low. 450 pip box. Finish. The low of the week, sunset. Full margin free, guys. You see what I'm trying to say? So when you understand this information, it's gonna be your aha moment, the breakthrough moment, guys. So try to understand aha moment. Try to understand the rules. You see. So other week before, let's go through other week before. Other week before, we want to trade this week, right? We want to trade this week. What we need? The same process. Tell me. Can you tell me now? If you understand the aha moment, if you get your breakthrough already, the breakthrough lesson is very important. I call it breakthrough lesson because it can be your religious breakthrough, a faith breakthrough, or financial breakthrough, or skillful breakthrough. You see? So try to tell me now what do you need. This week, current week, you need a structure. To read the structure, number 1, you need a such a life market structure. Market structure, higher, high, low. You need to understand fractal nature, bearish fractal nature. Number 2, what do you need? You need to understand here M button, W button, M button. Okay. Number 3, what do you need to understand? The market will drop 3 levels of drop, which is 150 V box. So it means 450 V box continue to drop before going back up. You see here. So when you know that, you know your target areas. You see here, free cash. So when you get information, you know what market will be dropping. You see. So the market actually drop here to here. Okay, we this week we understand here why market drop, because we already get 3 levels. We already get M. We see M. We see a structure. We see 3 levels market drop. Okay. This week what we need? Signal week. Signal week. What I mean here? Signal week here. Everybody see the bullish breakout. The market closed in bullish breakout. Everybody see bullish breakout. Everybody see bullish structure. The market maker, it is his festive trading week, guys. I call festive trading week. See, it's Christmas week. Let me say Christmas week. He said everybody was buying. The market maker selling. Why? If a buyer, there must be a seller. And if a seller, there must be a buyer. So last week, the market create breakout, pullback, and close in breakout. So after breakout, what do you think? What are you expecting? The market breakout, the market pullback, the market continue, the market breakout, the market fake out, the market go opposite. What happened here? The market breakout last week, the market this week pullback. Instead of respecting breakout level, the market break back and close it in bearish breakout in the day. That's what you can expect so far. The market is going down to these areas. Okay, number 3, week 3. Week 3, we need to understand here. Pump week. You see, the market was bumping up. So what means here? The real volume, you understand where the volume profile is. We understand where the volume profile is. The volume profile was down low. So the market seek volume, guys. The market seek levels. The market seek volume like every man look for virgin woman, virgin girls, and every girl look for rich guys. See, man with the money. You see what I'm to say? Oh, I try to explain for you the same, the way you understand, eh? Oh, forgive me, girls, forgive me, girls, forgive me. Sometimes I talk, you see, I do my talks, you see. So you need to understand and try to forgive me, eh? Oh, okay. Going back to an other week before, you see, same price action principles, week out, week and week, month to month. Month is the same, but daily is the same. I show you everything in weekly, H4 chart, everything like that. You need to understand. You see, last week, strategy also. The market broke strategy, H4 strategy. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. You see, the market break strategy, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Again, going back to lower high, then lower lows again in the same week with a 3 bush pattern again. 3 bush, 1 bush, 2 bush, 3 bush in the same week again. 1 bush, 2 bush, 3 bush. You see, 1 bush, 2 bush, 3 bush. You see, can it collapse back down? You see, so you need to understand the price action. Market make a price action, guys. You see, understanding that will make you profitable trader, guys. Okay, going back to other week before, and yeah. So what do you need? You need, I call it 3 data. Okay, the current week, what I need to read the structure. The current week, what I need to read W or M. The current week, what I need to read what I call here and W structure. I need to read 3 levels of rise of drop. See here, 3 levels of rise. You see here, 3 levels of rise. 1 bush, 2 bush, 3 bush. So the 3 levels of rise is how much? It's based on mathematics. So I know where market can go and so far. If the market keep going up. So 350, the market go actually 450 bip. Average range of the week. You see what I'm trying to say here? So 150, 150. You see? In a matter of 1 day, in a matter of 5 days, in a matter of 2 days, I don't care how many days. But I know the ADR, average range. You see, the market can go 1 day for that 50 bip. Then whole rest of the week, market is still coming down. So you see, so when you see in some Mondays, the market drop very fast and start creating a structure to pull back. Why? In this case, I already know the market finished ADR. You see, if the market rally too much up, I already know the market finished ADR of the week up. So I'm not looking for any buy. I'm not trusting structure. I'm not stupid. See, you want to see here? Oh, that's why I say this video will be your breakthrough or aha moment. You see here. So in this particular case, we need this is week, signal week. See here. What this week did? The failed breakout week. How I know the failed breakout week? The market break previous weekly low, last week low, especially last week low, and the market closed on bullish breakout Friday. That tells me the market creates failed breakout below and closes in bullish breakout. So what I'm expecting, 3 levels of rise, drop, rise, drop, WM, W. I don't know what I'm expecting so far before the week open. See here. Then in this particular case, I read day 1, day 2, day 3, day 1, day 2 reset, day 3 reset, day 4, day 5. Following a trend. So it is become easy for me. You see what I'm trying to say here? Oh, so I say this video will be your aha moment or will be your breakthrough, guys. Oh, so what I need here? Week 3, we need to read the structure, a momentum trend. So this week was a momentum trend, momentum. This week, hit breakout, bullback continuation, but the breakout failed. But momentum failed of this week. That's why this week we are expecting the market to pull back. So the overall momentum, down week, we call it down week, and double down week, bumping week. Now the market bump up. The bump up means this momentum, hey, it's fucked up. Don't trust that momentum. Trust the new momentum. You see what I'm trying to say here? The main important is understanding the thing, guys. Are we trying together? Are you guys with me? Oh, I'm just talking to myself every time. Oh. So, okay. We want to trade this week. Okay. We want to trade this week. We want to trade this week, guys, here. We want to trade this week. What do you need? The new week, all we need is to read a structure. Number one. We need to read M and W. We need to read 3 levels of drop or rise. So we need to understand what we want in live market. You see here? You understand what I'm saying here? Oh. Okay. Again, we need, before we can apply that one, we need to read last week what happened here. It's called a signal week. The signal week open here, close the, and give us what? Give us red week. I call it fast green, fast red day week. Red week, you can call it red week. Fast green day, fast red day, it will give you a little bit confused, but understanding, the important is understanding the red week. High momentum week. So this week we actually gonna get follow through. You see, we're gonna get follow through and the market will follow. So it's easy, we can read the market strategy, low lows, low highs, low lows in live market front side, back side, pullback also, and give us trend continuation. You see, that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. That's what you, when you understand, you're gonna get your breakthrough, guys. Without that, so we need to understand also the week 3. Week 3, what do you see in week 3? Week 3 was downtrend trend. You see here? The market created to go high. Momentum trend was bearish. So means this week possibly will follow the week 3 momentum. Why? Because week 2 momentum follow week 3 momentum. So this week it's going to be high momentum bearish. So lower time frame is 5 minutes, front side, back side, trend continuation, back side, trend continuation. Is simplicity is like that, guys. So you are trying to understand here. So week 3 it was a bump, dump week. Dumping. See? So this week also dumping. Damn week, fast red week, or red week, or you can call what a momentum week, whatever you name it. But the understanding is important. You see here, I say understanding is the important thing, guys. Understanding is important. So this week, the live market, I'm going to apply 3 things: the structure, high, low, fractal, bearish, bullish, whatever you call it, the live market structure, MW button. What does I need? 3 levels of drop, 3 of rise. I need to keep in my mind on that 3 things. Okay, and time window, hit the market up, down, no, hit. So you'll see your aha moment is coming through here. Okay, coming through here, and this week. Okay, this week here. And you want to trade, right? Okay, which week is that? Go through the weeks. When you backtest, I do backtest from here. Okay, this week I want to trade. Yeah? What do I need to go through here? This week, and this week, and this week. So this current week, what I need to read market structure. I need to read what I call here an MW button. I need to read 3 levels of rise of the rope. The market go up heavily for 3 levels of rise. The market apply the structure, follow the structure. The market what? Give me W buttons. You see, in live market environment, I'm not the live market environment. I'm not talking about the passive market. So in this case, what I need last week? The last week, what I need? The signal week. What I mean signal week? If the market close and break out, you need to understand what market close this week. This market open around here. How this week close? This week close what? We go to weekly. This week close what? Bearish week. See, this week close bearish week. You see, this week close bearish week. It's very decisive, eh? This week close bearish week. You see, but when you read the structure was shifting. So in this particular case, I say here, breaking this area confluence is a time you're going to trust the structure. See, understand the confluence is important. Understand the confluence is important. See, so the market fly. Reading the structure, W button. Why? What was there? There was a W button here. Why market fly? The W button is what? It's like here and shoulder button. Don't be confused, guys. W button is like here and shoulder button. So the second leg W was here. The market keep flying, break the neckline and keep flying. So if the market was about to drop, market was about to break the neckline. But no, it won't break. You see what is here? Okay. The third week, you need to follow the trend momentum week. Actually, the third week gives us the indication where markets will go. See? You see what I'm trying to say here? I say this week was there was no signal, continuation signal week. This week, trend momentum was what? The market trade lower and close it breakout. Where? It's called higher close. So this week, close higher. This week, close higher. So after the week close higher, it's called breakout week. 3 higher closing days, 3 lower closing days. He said it's this back. He said 3 higher closing weeks, 3 higher closing days, 3 lower closing. Oh, and the breakout is not only by structure, but by closing price. Breakout is controlled by the closing prices. Higher closing price is more important. That's why I say always use MT4 trading platform, because trading view is different than other brokers, man. See, the data is confused with by trading view. Trading view was almost confused with 1 year, so that's why I only use MT4, because I only use the data I will be trading in live market, guys. I'm not using different data and let confuse myself. See, I don't want to confuse myself. I suspect the strategy later. You see, that's gonna be confusing stage, guys. But it's up to you. You want to trade view, it's up to you. If you want this, it's up to you. It's your own business. I say everything is about from you. So in this particular case, this week, fly. This will also boss here. Then what you see here, the market keep flying, front side and back side give us front side. They went Monday to Tuesday, 3-day cycle. Market give us nice buy, later on nice sell. Let's call it elevator up, escalator down. Elevator up, escalator down. Elevator up, escalator down. This is what? This week is what? And there's other week for elevator up. This is like this. This one is elevator down, escalator up. So this week is just up. This week is just down. This week is just down. This week is up. This week is an elevator down, escalator up. And also it's in no. It's elevator mixed signals. But this week elevator up, escalator down. This week elevator down, escalator up. You see, that's how you understand here. So I wish now you guys understand. I make almost in like 1 hour. If you can keep that simple, you'll be seeing me. So this video is going to be your breakthrough. So think simple. Keep studying and keep learning and keep getting better. And Madam Mahakad, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So if you want to learn more about, no problem. I say here, I say download Quran Majid English version. If you don't have a Quran Majid, just go to Play Store and upload the Quran Majid. And I say here, keep studying and keep learning. And Madam Mahakad be with you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I wish now you get your breakthrough moment today. Keep getting better, keep learning, and keep growing. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.